How's it going, guys? Lair Bear here. I got a little small opening for you guys. So in a previous video I mentioned that my local card shop had some Toon Chaos booster packs just kind of hanging out there at the shop. They've been there for, oh geez, I don't know. They've been there for a while now, so I just figured, you know what? I'll just take them off the shelf, you know, see what I can pull from them. I've never opened up Toon Chaos before. This is the first time. This is unlimited Toon Chaos, so it's not first edition. First edition is fairly expensive. So it's just a little short video we'll have today. We got 12 booster packs of Toon Chaos Unlimited. So we're gonna crack into them and see what we can pull. Ideally, oh, there's a lot of collector rares in this set. I mean, I would be happy with Envoy of the Beginning, Toon Blackluster Soldiers. They got Stardust Dragon in here, Pot of Extravagance. They got a lot. So there's a lot we can pull possibly. So I just figured, why not? Why not? Let's just go ahead and do it. Wow, that's this is a very stiff pack we have here. All right, let's get into it. Let's see what we can pull. Okay, so all right, right off the bat, we have a rare hero, Masked Hero Blast. Okay, so I think Chaos Sorcerer. So are all these rare? Oh wow, what is this? Is this a super rare? Sublimationate? Very nice. Okay, so I'm kind of understanding the pack. So apparently there's, you get a bunch of rares and then you get a holo in there at some point. And woo, I can smell the cards from here. So we got a Sublimation Knight holo. I believe that is a super rare. I could be wrong, so don't quote me on that. I'm still trying to figure out the rarities just by looking at them. I believe that's a super rare. I could be wrong. Again, for all the polls that we have here, I'll put the prices on the screen for you guys so you guys can kind of see what we're dealing with here. Yeah. Let's see. We got a Supervise. Another Chaos Sorcerer. I believe that's a good rare to pull in this set, if I'm not mistaken. Elemental Hero Solid Soldier. Okay. Magician of Hope. Super rare. Nice. It's a Spellcaster Xyz Pendulum effect. Very nice. Again, I haven't really messed around with Pendulum, Synchro decks or anything like that, so I would have to start messing around, teaching myself how to play them. But nice. Magician of Hope. Very nice. Oh, look at that. We got a Sangan. Very old school card. Very nostalgic, especially for me. Masked Hero Vapor. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, there's one more. Code Generator. Interesting. So I got everything divided. Since there's rares in this set, we'll just do one pile of rares and then one pile of holos, just to make it easier for us. So we're pack 3 of 12. So we're already like fourth of the way through our stack of 12. Another Elemental Hero Solid Soldier. Very nice. Gemini Ablation? Oh, very nice. Blackluster Soldier, Envoy of the Evening Twilight. Let's take a little bit of a closer look at this bad boy. Get that in focus a little bit. Come on. I've never seen this card before. Very beautiful. Number 75, Bamboozling Gossip Shadow. Interesting. Masked Hero Goka. Oh, look at that. Blackluster Soldier, Sacred Soldier. Very, very nice. Very beautiful card. Very beautiful. So this is my first time seeing a lot of these cards in a set, so excuse me if it takes a little longer to go through them. Oh, look at that, Pot of Desires. I believe that's also a good card to have. What is that? Banish 10 cards from the top of your deck face down. Draw 2 cards. You can only activate 1 Pot of Desire per turn. Interesting. Very interesting. Pot of Desires. Oops. Okay, so we got a Psy-Frame driver. Interesting. Gnarly art. Very gnarly. Oh. Blast from the Past. Witch of the Black Forest. Very nice. Very, very nice. Love it. There's Envoy of the Evening Twilight. Very nice. Very cool looking Blackluster Soldier card. I still remember when Blackluster Soldier first came out. Oh, what is this? An ultimate rare Toon page flip. Okay, and right after we got a Toon World. This is a very classic card. I remember this wholeheartedly watching Yugi and Pegasus duel in the show, in the anime. Very classic, especially for me. Look at that. A Chaos Emperor Dragon, Envoy of the End. Very nice. I've actually never owned this card before, so this is actually a treat for me, even though it's rare. Regardless, I love this. Love them all. You know what? Now that I think about it, maybe I will try to go after some booster boxes of Toon Chaos if I can find them at a decent price. Obviously, first edition is probably out of the question, at least for right now. It'd be cool someday to open it, just for the nostalgic factor for me. I didn't realize some of these cards were in here, so this is something cool. This is an experience. Supervise. Another Chaos Sorcerer. Oh, okay. Got a Masked Hero Blast. And another Magician of Hope. Very nice. Put that right there. Masked Hero Vapor. Code Generator. Chaos Zone. Oh, crossover. Very nice. I believe this, I have the reprint. It got a bump. Here is the foil from OTS 15 I pulled a couple weeks back. Very nice. It's very nice to see this get a bump. Very cool card. Very cool art. Put that back over there. So we got crossover. Very nice art. Masked Hero Blast. Witch of the Black Forest again. Number 75, Bamboozling Gossip Shadow. Well, I've been bamboozled. There's a number 68. The Sky Prison. Very cool. Very, very cool. Masked Hero Goka. And Chaos Zone. Very cool. Very, very cool. Oops. Camera. Get myself readjusted. Oh, Oh, I remember this card. I love this so much. Blackluster Soldier, Envoy of the Beginning. Very, very nice. Very old school. Gear Breed. Interesting art. Light Pulsar Dragon. Interesting card. Very interesting. What is this? Evocator FQ? Sorry if I'm butchering that name, but nice. Very nice super rare. Very nice. Got another code generator. Masked Hero Vapor. And another Chaos Dragon. Envoy of the End. How many packs we got? 2, 4, 5 packs. Masked Hero. Blackluster Soldier, Envoy of the Beginning. Very cool. I'll never get tired of looking at that card. Gear Breed. Ooh, look at this. Chaos Space, a super rare. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very beautiful. We got a Starlight Road. Maybe a foreshadowing to Starlight Dragon? Stardust Dragon? I don't know. Also, I'm sorry if I butchered that name or got it wrong. Mud Dragon of the Swamp. Very swampy indeed. Very gnarly looking card. Come on. I didn't want to open. Interesting. Giving me a hard time. So we got a Prague Leo. Very cute card. Wow, just handing out the Blackluster Soldiers tonight, aren't we? I'll take them. I don't care. Masked Hero Deanne. What's this? Eternal Chaos. Super rare. Okay. Very cool. Very, very cool. Envoy of Chaos. Cynet Codec. We got Dwarf Star Dragon Planeter. Very, very gnarly art. I love it. I'm a fan of it. What's its effect? Once per turn during the end phase, if this card was normal summon this turn, you can add 1 level 7 light or dark monster from your deck to your hand. Ooh, very powerful, especially if you're going to try to get some of those Blackluster Soldiers in there. So we got a Psy-Frame Driver. Very nice. Keeper of Dragon Magic. Another crossover. I'm really happy this got a rarity bump just because of how cool the art is. Ooh, another Eternal Chaos super rare. Very nice. Very, very nice. Huh. Interesting. Another Mud Dragon of the Swamp. Oh, Toon World. Gotta love that. Envoy of Chaos. Very cool. So we got 2 more booster packs of this. 2 more chances to get a collector's rare. Will we do it? I really don't think so, but, you know, gotta believe in the heart of the cards, right? What is this? Light Pulsar Dragon. Very cool. I'll never get tired of looking at the art for these cards. It's very interesting because I started opening up sets lately that have no rares in general. It's just straight foils. So I wonder if this is one of the few sets that had the rares in them before they switched over to just holos and booster packs. But again, it's different because, at least for me, because it's all rares in one holo. Frankfurt Meister. The Dude Meister. Very cool looking card. I love the art. That's really cool. Oh, look at this. Blackluster Soldier, Sacred Soldier. Very, very nice. Cool. And look at that. A Pot of Desires rare. Cool. Very cool. I'll take it. True King. Something, something. The Disaster. Very cool. Last pack. Last pack. Let's see what we can do. Keep bumping the camera. All that fun good stuff. Okay. Alright. Oh, good start. Blackluster Soldier. Envoy of the Beginning. Love it. Masked Hero DN. Very, very, very cool. Light Pulsar Dragon. Valkyrie Sig Run. Very cool. We didn't get a collector's rare, but still, this is just as cool. I'm seeing this set for the very first time, so I'm just enjoying myself. Very cool, super rare. Then we got a Mask Hero Vapor, Code Generator, and a Chaos Zone. Very cool. Very, very cool. Alright. Go through some of our pulls that we had. I'll go ahead and sleeve all these bad boys up after the video. It's just for the sake of saving time. Valkyrie Sig Run. The Meister. Eternal Chaos. Back-to-back Eternal Chaos. Now we got Chaos Space. A lot of chaos. Love it. Evocator EQ. Got a couple of Bamboozlers here. I know for sure we pulled two. Very cool, number 75. We got a couple of Magician of Hope. This, I love this. This is very beautiful. I love this art so much. It's such a cool card. The contrast between the light and the dark. It's just very cool. We got an ultra rare Toon page flip. Very cool. Number 75, another Bamboozler. Oops, got too excited, hit the camera. Magician of Hope. And a Sublimation Knight. Very cool. Very cool. Alright, you guys. Well, thanks for stopping by and watching me opening this up for the first time. It was really cool seeing all these cards. Some of them are new ones I've never seen before, and some of them are definitely a blast from the past. So I love that so much. So give the video a like, comment, subscribe. Again, let me know what sets you guys would love to see open in the future. Got some new product coming hopefully soon. Probably sometime in May we'll start filming some of that stuff. Fingers crossed. Other than that, peace out, guys.